Hey everyone, so this is Shauna and you're cooking with Shauna. So in today's video, I will be cooking shrimp fried rice. So you will see me cut up onions and yellow peppers because that's what I had left. And also off camera, I'm about to just peel the shrimps because they are the ones that's basically already done, but just got peel it. So I'm about to show y'all what shrimps I'm using. So these are the shrimps I'm using. So now I am about to pour the oil inside the pot and also pour the rice inside the pot and fry the rice. So this is about how much rice I will be using. I will be using this amount of rice. I believe this cup is 8 ounces. So now I am about to put the onions and peppers in it. So now that I fried the onions with the rice, I am going to add the water to it because it's the color brown that I like for shrimp fried rice, because I always thought that the brown came from soy sauce, but it comes from frying it. So I'm about to pour the water in there and then add the seasonings. And I will be pouring 2 cups of water. That's the size of the cup that I use for the rice. Now that the water is in there, I'm gonna let it cook, and also I am about to add the seasonings. So the seasonings I will be adding is as follows: basil, seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, rosemary, pepper, kosher salt. Pepper, basil, Italian seasoning, garlic, onion powder, rosemary, a little bit of salt, seasoning salt. So now that I added all the seasonings, I am going to mix it and cover the rice. So now I am going to peel the shrimps. So while the rice is cooking, I am going to crack 4 eggs and cook those. And also I will be putting some peas and corn inside of the shrimp fried rice. So let me get the eggs and start cracking them. Although I put seasoning inside the rice, I am also going to put seasoning inside the eggs. And the only seasonings I'm going to put inside the eggs is just salt and pepper, just to season the eggs, so it can have some taste. So here go 4 eggs that I cracked, and just add some salt and pepper to it. So now I'm about to put the pot on the stove for the eggs and let it heat up. I will be cooking the eggs with oil because it's going to heat up fast and it's going to cook fast, and I like how it come out. So I rinsed out the pot. I'm about to add oil to the pot and let it get real hot so the eggs can start cooking. So now I just took the lid off the rice, mixed it up, and the rice is just about done. So I will be adding the frozen vegetables to the rice. Okay, so as y'all seen, I added the mixed vegetables to it, and I covered it so they can warm up. So now I'm about to flip the camera over and make the eggs, and like it's gonna cook in like literally 2 seconds. Eggs are done. So I just got done making the eggs. Now I'm about to put the shrimp inside the pot so they can cook just for a little bit because they basically already done, and then add the eggs and it'll be done. So I added this shrimp. Now I'm going to mix them and so they can get cooked. I added the eggs in there. I'm about to mix everything up and show y'all the final product. So this is how the food looks. You see the eggs, the shrimp, the vegetables. So this is how the food looks. So you have come to the end of this video. May you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video.